What's going on, YouTube? Making this video to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2016 Subaru Forester. Pretty simple process to do it. You go over to the passenger side, you take the glove box, pull it down. I always take all the stuff out of here to make it less heavier for when you do this. And these things have those little clips right there. So you pull that out, make sure it's not, blocked by the side. And same thing on this side. Let's see, right there. So you pull the side back just like that. Sometimes the other side likes to go back into place, but once you get that out of there on that side and that side, you'll see the glove box likes to droop down. You can go in there behind there without removing that if you like, or you can just take this and simply just take that off, and the glove box would fold right down. And sometimes it comes off there. You could easily just pick this thing back up, clip that back into place there, and also there. You're gonna want that to be in place when you raise the glove box back up, but it's just right here. I might have to set this down because on these you gotta pinch both sides. Is this gonna sit still? There we go, just like that. You just take your fingers and pinch it there and there. And once you pinch that, it comes right on out of there. Now, when you're pulling this out of here, you want to be careful of the leaves and everything falling inside of the blower motor itself. Because if they do fall in there, you'll get a little whirling sound while the fan is on and operating. So what I like to do is just reach my hand in there for the blower motor and pull any excess leaves out of there. Because if you don't, you'll have a horrible little sound, and it'd be annoying as hell when you're operating the fan. Now, let me show you where actually I'm reaching. So this is the blower motor, and that's what turns. So I just always pick the leaves out of there. So I just put my hand down in there and feel for the leaves and whatnot, and if it's clear, then you're good. So you take the new one, and you can see it says push. So obviously you want to be the upright side. And it actually tells you on the cabin filter up, and there's an arrow, so you really shouldn't be able to install this wrong. Push that right in place, you hear it clip, and that's the end of that right there. So I'm gonna set this on down. So on the glove box, you just pull the glove box back up, and you're gonna install that piece first. So you don't really have to do it first, but that actually came off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install that. As you can see, there's that clip right there. You just put that on right there, and then lift up on that, and you install it there, and then you just have those clips to push into place there and there, and the job is done. And that's how you properly install a cabin filter on a 2016 Subaru Forester. Again, simple process, takes under 3 minutes, especially when you're not filming. You could do this in probably 2 or maybe even 1 minute, depending on how fast you actually work. If I helped you guys up, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and hopefully I helped somebody. Thanks.